Three mistakes that can cost notaries $5,000 or more. Mistakes that can cost you thousands. Ooh, this is a juicy one. This is my last video of the day, so don't miss out because I'm going to give you some real juicy information, save you from losing thousands, and then I'm going to call it a day. All right? These mistakes are juicy. So I've got it all broken down here so I don't miss anything. First of all, if you don't know me, I'm Mr. Rogers. I've helped thousands of people pass the notary exam. And on this one, I just want to make sure you don't lose money so that you can take your notary business all the way up. 5,000, 10,000, 100,000 a year, whatever you want, that's what I want for you. All right. So if you've already passed the notary test with me, congratulations. I picture you making thousands and thousands. However, new notaries also often make some mistakes. So let's talk about it right now. Mistake number one, overspending before you earn money. I know it's tempting. A lot of notaries buy expensive stuff, expensive packages, upgrades, fancy supplies, marketing materials, everything all at once, instead of buying what's required by law. Like most of you need a stamp, some states you need a journal. They just buy all this stuff. Now they're in the hole. It feels good spending, but it's not a spending spree. And how it cost you? Now you're going to have to generate money to catch up when you could have used that money for things like this. Getting listed where clients can find you. You could have spent the money on that. What else could you have spent it on? Training for higher paying services. Training, guess what? Possible tax write-off. What else could you use it on? Transportation costs, business setups, I don't know, giving cookies or something to escrow companies so that they remember you. You could have spent that money anywhere instead of on silly packages too early, all right? So don't do that for yourself. Let's start generating some revenue first. Mistake number two. I hope you take mistake number one seriously, I'm telling you. Mistake number two, not positioning yourselves where the clients are looking for you, where they're already looking for you. Because right now your clients are waiting for you. They're out there. Thousands and thousands and thousands of people need a notary. They're looking for you right now. But instead, a lot of people get their commission, they magically wait, they tell a few friends and hope something pops up. No, no, no. That's going to cost you a lot of money. Imagine if you make anywhere from $100 from a loan signing and you miss out on 2, 3, 4, 5 months of that. That's $500. All right. What if you could have got 5 loan signings per month? 5, 10, 15, $2,000. All right. Now, there are online services. This is a juicy one. This is worth money to me, but I'm not charging you. There are online services that will list your profile as a notary so people could actually find you and hire you. Here are some of the services that are out there and people say are good, all right? I don't work for these places. I'm just going to mention them. The first one is SnapDocs. You might want to write this down or type it down, whatever you want to do. The second one is Signing Order. The third one is Notary Cafe, and 123 Notary. All of these list you. And if you're not on there, you're basically invisible. Ooh, that's deep. Now, what do these directories actually do? Okay, they allow real estate companies, signing companies, any kind of companies and professionals and everyday people to go and search for a notary in their area. And if your name's not popping up, you're not getting paid. So don't wait for your business. Make sure you're listed on there. Let's see what else. Make sure you're on there. Make sure you create personal profiles. Make sure you update your credentials, add your services, turn on your job notifications. Make sure you always respond quickly if you use any of those services, right? Now, think about this. Well, I want to think about this. Tell me this. How many of you have done a notarization already? I want to know who's listening. Have you done 1, 2, 5, 100? I have people who've done none. They've been sitting on their commission. And I have a young lady who's just been doing them like crazy. Doing them like crazy. Doing them like crazy. For lawyers, every time a lawyer needs a document done, they're contacting her. All right. So I hope that's you. But let me know. Mistake number 3, staying only on low pay notarizations. What does that mean? Well, in California or in some areas, you can only get $10 to $15 per signature, right? So imagine someone needs to get something notarized for a wedding or whatever, and they just have 2 or 3 signatures and you didn't make much money. You made a little extra cash, that's it. But if you want to start making real money, loan signing services are doing loan docs, pages and pages and pages of signatures, $10, $15 per signature. So those appointments can pay you $75, $125, up to $200 per session. When I closed escrow on my last home that I purchased, notary came to my house. Escrow company sent the guy out. We sat at the table, signing away. He's getting paid for every single line that's there. And guess who has to pay him? Me, the homeowner. It's paid by the homeowner. So, and that could have been you, right? So don't let that slip between the cracks. Make sure you're doing that. Make sure you learn about the highest paying paths. So if you're not doing any of those, you're losing money. All right? You're losing cash. Just want to emphasize that. Lastly, I have a bonus because I said only 3. But number 4, I just was on this. Taxes. This is your business. And if you're not keeping things organized, let me put it this way. I just had it's that time of year. I just had a tax appointment. And I'm not a tax person, so anything I say about taxes is just from my experience, has nothing to do with the law. But she asked me, hey, Mr. Rogers, in your business, did you drive? Yes, I drove. How many miles did you drive for the year? Did you document it? Because we can put that in and get credit for that mileage on your business. Oh, I better know that. How much did you spend on, say, gear for your business? Did you do any training or further education for your business? More tax write-offs, right? Thousands. What else? Did you buy any equipment? Well, yes, I had to buy the dual printer. Yes, well, my laptop was funky, so I thought I needed one for my business. Okay, well, write off what? Write off what? Did you go to Kinko's? Did you pay for parking? Did you do anything else? Did you buy paper? Oh, yeah, I bought paper. Oh, okay. Did you advertise? Oh, yeah, I advertised. Where? Oh, yeah, some SnapDocs and these other ones I had to advertise myself that cost money. Oh, well, taxes. Oh, do you have a business phone? A phone specifically for your business and you're paying for it monthly. Oh, yeah, I do. It's with so-and-so. Boom. So that's it, baby. That's it. I promised 3. I gave you 4. I trust you. I trust you're going to do good. You're not going to waste your money. I also made another video that tells specifically instead of buying these big stupid packages, what you actually need to get your business up and running as a notary, the core things. I'll put that link in the description. I hope I remember to. If I don't put it there, make sure you put in the comments, hey, Mr. Rogers, where's that link? Anyway, like I said, I trust you. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. Go make that money. Your clients are waiting for you. See you next time.